about when Jesus Christ was with his disciples, the breeze was blowing up and down. He was sleeping and he woke up and he spoke to the breeze, the wind. What have you spoken to in this your life? Nothing. Then when we talk, we will argue. Anyway, brothers and sisters, I will continue this matter on this our relationship with God, knowing Jesus, understanding what Jesus has done. There's one I was talking about yesterday or this morning. I was telling somebody, I said Jesus Christ went to the temple and saw that they were doing what they were not supposed to do. He carried koboko, cane, flogged people. If your pastor does that now, what would you say? You say, this pastor, they do well for church. Now, if they flog people, remember from church. Jesus flogged adults, pursued them with cane. You did not read your Bible. You thought Jesus was a gentleman. I love you, Jesus. You are shouting up and down. You love Jesus. He pursued them, use cane, chase them away. You are doing the wrong thing. You come to church now, you do anyhow. Somebody query you for doing anyhow. I say, no, they go to that church again. Have respect for elders, okay? When you see people that know what you don't know, or when you, in fact, let me round up with this. When you hear something that you don't understand, you have never heard it before, you disagree with it, before you start typing or writing, calm down first. Find out who is this person that is talking. Where is he talking from? What is his track record? Has he done anything before? Do I understand him? Is there a research that I can do to learn anything? You will learn a lot like that way, than for you to watch a 2-minute video, a 1-minute video, and you start shouting up and down. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.